Create and use spreadsheets. Section 4. Charts. A well-designed and carefully formatted worksheet can be a thing of beauty. But the human brain can only take in so many lines of figures at a time. Sometimes a graphic representation or illustration is much more effective. Charts and graphs are a great way to quickly show how much of something belongs in a group, or how costs are going up or going down. A pie chart is most useful for showing percentages or proportions. This chart type clearly displays the relationship between the whole and the parts of that whole. For example, if you want to see at a glance how many people in your group love pizza, you could quickly ask them, add up the total, create a percentage and make a pie chart to show the results. A bar chart is often also called a column chart. It is most useful for showing a breakdown of figures. It is also helpful when you need to analyze a set of figures that can look confusing in a spreadsheet, or you need to show different breakdowns of a larger set of figures. It assists in making comparisons and quickly identifying any numbers that stand out from the overall pattern. A line graph is useful to make comparisons over time. Each line can represent a different year or a different product. Using spreadsheet software, you can make a chart in no time. Even though Excel makes the chart for you, you can add to it or change it afterwards. For example, you can add chart titles or change how the elements of the chart are laid out. Here is how it's done. In this example, the spreadsheet shows the entertainment budget for 2 months in January and February. Let us create a chart that shows how each item compares against the others. Select the data that you want to chart, including the column headings and the row headings. Then click the Insert tab, and in the Charts group, click the Column button. You could select another chart type, but column charts are commonly used to compare items and will get your point across. In the Charts group, click on the Column button. After you click Column, you'll see a number of column chart types to choose from. Click Clustered Column, which is the first column chart in the 2D column list. That's it. We have created a chart. If you want to change the chart type after you create your chart, click inside the chart. On the Design tab under Chart Tools, in the Type group, click Change Chart Type, and select another chart type. Your chart will automatically be converted to the new type. Now, let us have a look at how our spreadsheet data looks in this chart. The data from each worksheet cell appears as a chart column. There are 8 columns in all because there are 8 cells. The column headings appear on the horizontal axis of the chart. The amounts appear on the vertical axis of the chart. The row headings appear on the chart legend text on the right. This is the end of the presentation on charts.